And here's my project for Saturday. Those of you that know me, I love my techie gadgets. The boat currently has Panasonic CD player in it, which sounds great, works fine. It's just not the latest and greatest. My next upgrade is going to be the Garmin 8612, and I bought a brand new stereo that will Bluetooth to it, and I'm really excited about it. And here is the stereo that I purchased. It's a Fusion RA70nsx. It's Bluetooth capable, so I'll be able to control it from my Garmin 8612 when I get it. It will play off my iPad, my iPod, my iPhone, and it also is Serius ready. So when I get my Serius weather and radio, I'll be able to hook that up to it also. And here is the unboxing of the radio. Here's the radio. It's packed very well. Here it is. And underneath here, I've got all my wires and cables. Really excited about hooking this up. Okay, the next step will be removing this radio, which should be fairly straightforward. And then I have the wiring to do and putting in the new stereo. All right, mission accomplished. I've got it in, mounted, wired, everything's working perfectly. Unfortunately, you can't hear I'm listening to Kenny Chesney right now because for some reason it mutes when I'm recording video. So we will just have to pretend we're listening to Kenny Chesney somewhere in the sun.